Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Grillo with Express Dentist. Are you happy with your smile? Is it what you'd like to see when you look in the mirror? A lot of people feel like there could be something different with their teeth. And fortunately, cosmetic dentistry today has a lot of different options, and it may not be as complicated as you think. We can do everything from a smile makeover to just a simple few minutes of refinement with your teeth and make a significant difference in just how you feel. And the more confident you are with your smile, the more likely you are to share it. So let's look at 7 quick ways that cosmetic dentistry can really add confidence and self-esteem and social acceptance. I mean, all the things that really are important and make our lives more fulfilling. So number 1, straightening crooked teeth. Obviously, straight teeth just look nice. And if you're dealing with crooked teeth, fortunately today, there are a lot better options than in the past, especially for adults. With all the clear aligner systems out there, it's pretty incredible how quickly they can move your teeth. In fact, some of these systems will straighten your smile in less than half the time of traditional braces, and they're comfortable and invisible, metal-free, something to think about. And that can make a big difference. And number 2, chipped teeth. So chipped teeth, just wear and tear sometimes, or maybe habits, biting your nails or chewing on a pen, different things like that can cause chipping on those fragile, thin edges of the front teeth. Now, sometimes just a light sanding, very light, just a little polishing, smoothing of those, it creates a nice line for the eye. So the eye picks up on those irregularities. And if you eliminate those irregularities, it can make a significant difference in how your smile looks. And number 3, gaps between teeth, closing them. So this can happen a couple of different ways. If you look in the mirror and especially see a space between your front teeth, your upper front teeth, that's called a diastema. Now, diastema is one of the easier spaces corrections to make with orthodontics, especially clear aligners. So sometimes you can do that in just a few months. But sometimes it can be closed with just some tooth color bonding. You don't even have to be numb, and you don't have to have anything removed from your teeth. The bonding is placed to look very natural, makes the tooth look slightly wider, but often that looks really good, and the gap is gone in just one appointment. So that's pretty cool. And then number 4, there's gummy smiles and also gum disease. So these are slightly different, but they all relate to gums. And so if you look in the mirror and you smile and you see a lot of gum above your upper front teeth, that's okay if you're okay with it. Nothing wrong with that. But if you'd like to see a little less gum when you smile, there may be a treatment that would work for you. And sometimes that gum can be just recontoured a little bit, and that may be easier than you think. With laser treatment today, that can be done for minor cases. In other cases, it may take a little bit more, become a minor surgical procedure. Of course, gum disease, if you see swollen gums, puffy gums, that needs to be treated, because that's not just cosmetic. That is a disease process, and that may be affecting your entire body from head to toe. And in other cases, you may see some gum recession, where you look and the tooth looks really long, so the gum is creeping down the tooth. That's not good as well. And there's a point where that could actually cause you to lose your tooth. These are all things that are generally treatable. So if you're not happy with the way the gums are affecting your appearance, then be sure to get in and have that checked. And number 5, what about those metal fillings? This is a controversial area, and I'm not here to talk today about potential health concerns around metal fillings. We're talking about cosmetics. And it's one thing if you have to open wide and tilt your head back for someone to see the metal fillings on the chewing surfaces of your teeth. If you don't like that, then there are options to replace them with something invisible. But in other cases, you smile and the teeth right on the side around the corner by the canines, called premolars, they can turn gray from metal fillings. It starts to stain or leach into them, and that can become a little unsightly. Fortunately, there are options by sometimes replacing those fillings or doing porcelain type caps that are all porcelain, non-metal. That can make a big difference in how the smile looks. So that's an option as well. And number 6, what about discolored teeth? Well, this is one of the easier ones. If you're not happy with the color of your teeth, it may be very simple to whiten them. In some cases, it's a little more complicated, depending if there's fillings and crowns, but nice professional whitening can make a big difference really fast. It gives you a boost that you feel really good about. And, we accumulate a lot of color over the years on our teeth. And from everything from chocolate to wine to coffee, you name it, all the dark stuff, it eventually accumulates, but it doesn't take years to remove it. And it's very safe to do so. And it can make the teeth look years younger. So that's a really nice cosmetic boost. And number 7, what about missing teeth? So, let's face it, having a missing tooth in the smile line is pretty obvious to the eye. And a lot of people are very self-conscious if they're missing a tooth. So replacing that missing tooth can be a big confidence booster and help you smile even more. And fortunately, there's a lot of options. Yes, some of them are a little bit more extensive, like dental implants, but that's like growing a new tooth. You may never have to deal with the implant again if you take care of it. But there are some removable options that are a little less expensive and can get you by, especially in social situations. So, just 7 quick ways that you can consider. And, every solution is personalized, so it's good to get in, see a dentist, and just have them evaluate it and see what they think and what you think, what the options are. You can discuss that together. And people who do something for their smile often say, I don't know why I waited so long. I should have done this a long time ago, and it was much easier than I thought. So these are just 7 general ways that you may consider to give your smile a nice boost. And here at Express Dentist, we have a trusted network of dental providers around the country, and we can certainly help you connect with one of them. We'd be happy to do so. So give us a call, reach out, and we will help you connect with someone that can help you with your smile. So take care, all the best, and keep smiling.